So if you're a keen pizza maker at home like I am, we make pizzas every Friday night here in my house, then there's a few items that I bought recently from Amazon that you might find helpful. Certainly we use them every single week. So first of all is these pizza launch boards. So they come in a pack of two, they're solid wooden, they're about ½ an inch thick. They have two sides to them, one which is labelled launch, and one that is labelled serve. Now what you do is you push out your pizza to the shape you want on this side, and then you use this side to launch the pizza either into your oven, your pizza oven, or onto a pizza plate or steel. And then when it's finished, you can get this back out of the oven and you can actually serve it on this side. So this is the side it's been prepped with, might have some flour on, but then you can serve it on this side, you can cut the pizza, and it looks nice when you put it on the table, served on this plate. So yeah, really like them. They come in a pack of two. The other thing you're going to need is, once you put your pizza into the oven, you're going to need to make sure the bottom of it is cooking and crisping up and texturing, and use this. This is a pizza turner. There's probably another word for it, a pizza peel, I think they call it. And it basically comes like this. You get two pieces. You get the wooden shaft, which you can hang up in your kitchen, and you get the base plate, which is perforated. Now that's important. And then it just has 3 bolts that go all the way through. Now this you put underneath your pizza and you spin it around, and you can check underneath the base of the pizza. They use these in pizza ovens and in pizza restaurants all the time. And this isn't what you get it in and out of the oven with. This is just to turn the pizza around. So sometimes a pizza will cook on one side and not so much on the other. So you use this to actually turn the pizza around inside the oven so it cooks evenly all the way around. But I don't suggest you get the pizza out of the oven with this because it's too small. It's only about 6 inches across and it will fall to the ground. This is for turning the pizza inside the oven. And then the final thing I've got to show you is, this is my pizza peel. This is large enough for a 12 to 14 inch large pizza. Again, a wooden handle with a nice leather strap there to hang it up. And it comes with a very easy self-assembly bolt there. It's a huge bolt and it just makes it easy to store. It is totally flat on both sides. You can get the ones that are perforated, and actually I think those are really good. They're a little bit more expensive, but this one's fine. So I just put some flour on here, and then I get the pizza off my work surface and I launch it onto my pizza steel, and it goes inside the oven. Obviously, pizza steel will be in the oven, but I launch this in the oven. And then to get it out again, get underneath the pizza, and this is the one I do lift it out of the oven with, not the pizza turner. You can see the difference in size. This is for actually getting it in and out. Yeah, so that's what you really need if you're gonna make a pizza at home. The other thing I would say is, this is just a pizza plate. You see it's well used. You can get them in steel, or you can get them in these, I think the ceramic or porcelain plates. And we cook the pizza on this. This goes in the oven. Get this as hot as you can, and then you use these devices to launch the pizza on and off of the pizza plate. So yeah, if you're passionate about making pizzas at home, I hope this helps you out.